Finalizing Studio.
Thermal storage water heater are the recognized as the safest water heater. But why is there water on the ground?
Hey, Barricade, are you going to repair the water heater?
Yes, the safety valve of this water heater is leaking, so I have to replace it today.
Yes, I have a technology to learn.
Wow, it's so rare for you to be so serious. Turn off the water and power before repairing. Hurricane, isn't this basic common sense? You can't say that, although it's simple, but it's still to be done. Turn off the power easily. Remove the water heater inlet holes. It is not difficult to dismantle this, as long as a movable wrench can be used. Loosen slowly, be careful of the hot water spraying out. Generally speaking, the water heater will indicate the water inlet and outlet. Red is hot and the blue is cold. Will the cold water pipe not burn people? This is not necessary. Look at this safety valve. The inside has been stuck and completely failed. And the way this water heater is installed seems to be different from the usual installation methods. The single flow safety valve is usually installed at the inlet end. But why was it installed like this before? I guess the old type safety valve is broken, and replace with this new type safety valve. That's why is the check valve installed on it. Wow, Parakin, I saw you could just smack toe, but I didn't expect you to be a master of reasoning. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that the cause of this water leak is the failure of this safety valve.
Barricade, wait a minute.
Will it be wrapped with thread sealing tape? Yes, do you have any question?
I must tell you that after I do this kind of work, will fail and leak.
Is there any trick to this? Oh, I will show it to you and you will understand. In fact, there is a little bit of tricks that you will know once you have seen it. Thread sealing tape and thread lacquer easily prevent water leakage. At first, press the sealing tape on the thread. Press it with your index finger and wrap it around the thread. The winding direction is exactly the same as ampere's law. Parakin, why are we discussing textbook now?
You are very self-righteous.
Okay, don't talk smack. Wrap the sealing tape and put a few drops of thread lacquer on it. That's it. So easy. Tighten it now and something magical happens. You see, it's amazing that it's happened. Now there is the perfect thread lacquer in. When it's dry, it won't leak. Learn this trick and get closer to the major. You must try it. Use a wrench to lock the connector tightly. Don't lock it too much, otherwise the gasket will broken. If you are as slow as Parakin, you can feel the force with 2 fingers. Yes, 2 fingers are enough. It's not difficult, just do it a few times. Wow, even the spring of this safety valve is broken. It's a pity that I threw it away and didn't film it. Vacuum magic! Water heater one-way safety valve. Water can only go in the direction of the arrow. This looks pretty cool, right? It greatly shortens the working times on site. Aye, this is one-way safety valve. It's very important. Oh? I don't think this is great. Are you sure? This is a very important water heater safety device.
Are you sure?
This safety valve has three functions: one-way flow restriction, pressure relief, manual test. The most important of this is the pressure relax function, which must not be broken. If the pressure relief valve and temperature switch fail at the same time, this water heater may explode. So their two safety devices must always be checked. If you don't believe me, take you to see. The safety valve value experiment is terrible. Oh my god, it's so powerful. But if the safety valve can relax the pressure normally, there seems to be no danger except steam. Finally, I will give you a suggestion. Do not install the water heater inside the house. If you do this, you will only be reported in the news at most, but not go to the emergency room. Then wrap the thread sealing tab and apply a few drops of thread locking glue. Remember to tighten up the tab and don't let it enter the water heater. People often plugged the water pipe after repairing the faucet because the tap was not properly organized. Remember this, the arrow points to the water heater and installed on the cold water side. Then time with your wrench. Mounting the relief drain hose. Reinstall the retaining clip. Then install the water inlet hose. Just lock it properly. Open the inlet valve for test. Confirm the water heater is full of water, and then turn the power on. By the way, clean out the dust. This is too much soil. It looks much more comfortable after I clean it a little bit. Now test the safety valve. If there is water flowing out of the tester valve, the safety valve is normal. Do you see that? Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Finalizing Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.